Am I?
You bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music of the moment, maybe sing with me. A la peaceful melody. It's your God. Oh, Lord. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.
Alright, can everybody hear me? Yep, alright, great, you guys, welcome aboard. My name's Trevor. I'm going to be your pilot today. We'll get going here in just a minute. Just going to brush over a couple things real quick. You guys all got a safety briefing, right? Go right on. So just so you know, we got these safety briefing cards. It basically duplicates everything you got in the briefing. So if you ever had any questions about any of that stuff, you could always look at the card or you could ask me. They're on the backs of the seats there, up front, side of the seat there, and the side of the door over there. Did you guys have any questions? No questions? Alright, right by the briefing cards, you see those little bags they were telling you about, the Aloha bags. So you probably won't need them, but if you do start feeling ill, don't be shy, it does happen. So you can grab a bag just in case, and it's better that the Aloha ends up in the bag. So same spot, back of the seat, side of the door over there. Other than that, a lot of radio work for me to do out there. So a lot going on for me, so every once in a while you'll see me get really quiet and maybe stop talking right in the middle of saying something. That's just me trying to listen and talk to all the other helicopters out there, so you can expect that from time to time. You guys got little air vents up here above you. If you want them open, all you gotta do is poke on them like that, or you can shut them. It's completely up to you. Air will be going the whole time. And other than that, probably get some little bumps here and there as we cross some of these ridge lines and the valleys and stuff from any wind that's out there. Nothing too out of the norm. Just want to give you guys a heads up. But other than that, we'll get going and we'll have some fun. Sound good? You guys excited? All right, me too. Alright, just passing over the principal ranch here, where they do some of the horseback riding trips out of the stables there. Also the zip lining, you'll see the towers and the lines crossing some of these smaller valleys here. Now we are now we're pretty much just doing a big circle around the island here, one big loop. But we get to go see all the good stuff, all the best stuff you can't get to by foot or by car, all the true hidden beauty of the island. We're going to start up here in the Honolulu River Valley. Starts back there at the bay. We're going to follow it all the way back up towards the center of the island here. Now really for the most part out here, you guys won't see many cars, roads, houses, people. There's really not even much hiking out here. It's just too rugged of terrain to be doing any hiking out here. If you tried hiking, you wouldn't make it very far, and I learned that the hard way. Bunch of deep bushes and slippery rocks. Pretty impressive though. I mean, it's all pretty much covered by some sort of green, and a lot of this lighter green stuff you see filling in between the taller trees. These are all ferns. It's primarily a staghorn fern. They're getting to be about chest deep in these wet, scratchy ferns now. Definitely no shortage of waterfalls up here today with all the rain we've been getting the last couple of days. They don't call it the wettest place in the world for nothing. Since he's there, I'm going to take you to one of my favorite waterfalls up in the back here. It's called Twin Falls. Now, Kauai was formed by one volcano. It sits right in the middle of the island, and well, the lava had spread pretty evenly for the most part, given the island its nice round shape, unlike some of the others. At one point, the volcano had melted out one of the walls of the crater, and that's how we get a decent view into the volcano down here from the bottom and from the side without having to climb up on top of it like you'd imagine and look down into it. Which will probably never happen anyway because it's almost always covered in clouds. This is it here out ahead of us. This is Waiale Island. You can tell this is the side that had melted away at one point. So you're looking right back into the volcano, which formed Kauai. Waiale means rippling waters. It's one of the wettest places in the world. A record of over 700 inches of rain in just 1 year. Pretty much wide open, so I'll be able to take you a little bit up towards the back of the volcano here. Just gotta wait our turn. Oh yeah, it's nice in there. Now a lot of the waterfalls, they come and go at the big rainstorms, and that's what leaves these big dark streaks down the mountainsides here. But if you look closely at some of these smaller ones, they pop right out of the bottom of the mountain, almost like a spring. So the water's traveling through the porous lava rock. Alright, you're in a volcano. Now it's supposed to be an extinct volcano, so probably not going to see too much lava in this one. But that's okay, I'm good with that. Well, that was cool.